Welcome to GTS Global Tech Solutions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a 3D rotating logo in After Effects. Go to Composition and select New Composition and give it a name. I am naming it 3D Rotating Logo. Set width and height of video. I am going to set it to 1920 by 1080. Set duration to 5 seconds. Go to 3D Render and select Cinema 4D, and click OK button. Go to File, Import, File option, and import logo image, or right-click on Project Panel, select Import, then File and import logo. The logo image must be transparent. Drag the logo image to Layer Panel, then select Image, and simply drag the corner of image to resize it. Now right-click on Logo Layer and select Pre-Compose. Make sure to check on Move All Attributes, then click OK. Then open Effects and Preset window and search for Shatter and add it to the logo layer. Go to Effect Controls panel and set View to Rendered. Now you can see the logo. Then expand Shape 1 and set Pattern to Custom. Then Custom Shatter Map, select Logo Comp. You can see the logo now. Open the Force 1 and set everything to 0 so the logo does not move. To rotate the logo, you can add a camera to the composition or use a built-in camera control. Then go to Camera Position and increase the Y rotation value by dragging it to right or putting value. So we can see the logo from the side. Go back up, then increase the extrusion depth to 0.5. You can see the depth. You will notice that the middle part is completely empty, and we can fill it with color. Go into the textures, and here in the side mode, instead of layer, we're going to select color. Now you can see we've filled the middle part with color, but before we change any of the colors, go to the lighting settings, and for the light type, we're going to select the first comp light, then set ambient light to 1. Now go back up to the color settings and choose the color for depth, then click on the color and make it dark, and click OK. To create a simple animation by keyframing the Y rotation for the camera, go to the start of the timeline, then click on the stopwatch to create a keyframe and set Y rotation to 0. Now move the indicator to the end of timeline and set the Y rotation to 359 degrees, and this will create a perfect seamless loop. Press spacebar to preview or play button. You will notice a green line in timeline, and it comes to end when rendering is complete. Press spacebar to stop preview. Now go to File, select Save As, and save your work. If you want to make video of it, then go to File, then Export, and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. AVI format will take large disk space, try to avoid it. If you already installed QuickTime, you can export it in movie format or download Vocoder plugin for MP4 format. I will use Vocoder. Now on Output to set file name and press Save button. Finally, click Render button and the rendering will start. It will take little time. When rendering is complete, you can open the file and play your video. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.